Hello guys, in this video we're gonna make a hydraulic experiment using two syringe. We're gonna make something to lift with a hydraulic. How to make it? Let's start. First you need a plastic cup. The plastic already has a hole, a little hole in the mouth of the cup, and the big one in the bottom of the cup. It's tied to the string, and two strings with no needle, a hose, an aquarium hose, a cardboard, masking tape, and maybe you need water also. First, we're gonna connect this one string to a hose like this. But if the hose is not too tight with the string, you need masking to wrap the hose so the hose gets more tight with the string. We need to wrap the end of the hose to make sure there's no leak, air leak or water leak to the connection between the hose and the string. Okay, and do it with another end. Okay guys, we have two ends of the hose wrapped with the masking tape, and make sure the hole of the hose is not covered so the air or the water can through this hose. That's how the experiment works. First we put the hose into the string, and if one string with the handle inside the string, the other you have to open the handle and put the string into the hose. What's gonna happen if I push this handle and the other handle will goes out? Okay guys, before we put the string into the plastic cup, to make sure the connection is watertight or airtight, we put more masking to the connection like this. And when you put the string into the hole in the bottom of the cup and the hose goes out like this, put some masking tape in the wing of the string. Okay, I put masking to make sure the string on the bottom of the cup is not gonna fall off. And we're gonna join other string to the hose, and before we connect the string, take out the handle and put the string into the hose and give the connection more masking to make sure the connection is waterproof and no linkage. As you can see, if I put this handle to the string and I push it, and the other handle is gonna goes out, and we put this handle out so we can put the cardboard into the handle using the masking also. Yeah, you can put the handle in the middle of the cardboard using the masking or other tape. You can use double tape also. This and put it back in the string in the bottom of the cup. Okay guys, watch this. If I pull the string, this one, and you can see the string on the cup is going down. If I pull it, the string goes up. You can put some object on the cardboard, so when you pull the string, the object goes down, and you push it, the object goes up. And for more power on your hydraulic, you can use a little bit of water. This is how to put the water into the string. First, you pull out the handle and put water. I color the water with blue, so you can see the water move. And I put again the handle. You can see the water goes up, push the other string goes up, and we take the water back, the masking tape goes down. If you put water inside the system, it's called hydraulic. But if we just use the air into the system, we call it pneumatic. Okay guys, that's our experiment. Have a nice try. Science asik banget.
Science